All right, so we have our valve covers removed. We're actually going back together on the passenger side. Look at this driver's valve cover. Everything looks clean. This car has been maintenance. Oil change has been done. A common issue with these is that these can go bad and cause this problem as well. So since we have the valve covers off, we're going to replace them 4 solenoids because it looks like we're going to be leaning towards doing the engine. So even if we're going to replace the engine and get it rebuilt, we're going to be installing 4 new camshaft solenoids anyway. Let's see how it goes. All right, so there you have it. We still have the exact same noise that we had. Low oil pressure, another 20 minutes of running. We still got low oil pressure. So we have somewhat of a disadvantage. Just prior to the customer bringing us the truck, he just had his oil changed 20 minutes before he got here. I would like to have cut the oil filter open and see if we see any metal. That's not possible. Let's get this engine apart and see where we're at. Come back for part 3.